Morning students, welcome to class 7 mathematics. We are going to do chapter 7 linear equations, exercise 7.3 applications of linear equations. In this chapter, the application of linear equations, we are going to use the linear equations in daily life. How we use the linear equation in daily life, we are going to discuss this. The first question is 14 added to a number gives 96. Find the number. The question is, what should be added to 14? In which number 14 should be added to give 96? मतलब 14 किस number में add करेंगे तो 96 आएगा. So let the number be x. We don't know which number we will going to add 14. So let the number be x. हमें नंबर पता नहीं है, find the number. तो हम उसे x ले लेंगे. Next step में 14 added to this number. When 14 added to the number that is x, we get x plus 14. Now according to the question ATQ, according to the question, it is said that when 14 is added to a number, when 14 is added to the number, it gives means equals to 96. जब 14 ऐड करेंगे इस नंबर में जो कि हमने x लिया है तो वो हमें 96 देगा. Now this is the equation you got in the one variable. Now what we are going to do, we are going to transpose this 14 to the right side. So we know when we transpose plus number on the right hand side, it becomes negative. That is minus 40. The positive on the left hand side becomes negative on the right hand side. So it becomes minus 40. Now what we get? Subtract 96 minus 40. You get 2 and here 8. 82 is the number. Therefore, the required number is 82. This is the answer. Now, next question is (7.3). Question number 2. Question number 2 is question number 2. The question is 26 subtracted from 3 times a number gives 90. Now it is unknown number, find the number. The question, let's try to understand the question. The question is, when 26 is subtracted from 3 times a number gives 90. मतलब किसी नंबर से अगर हम किसी नंबर का 3 टाइम्स से अगर 26 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो हमें 19 मिलेगा. हमें वो नंबर मालूम नहीं है. तो let the number be x. Now 3 times of the number, because it is told to subtract 26 from 3 times the number. So first we will find 3 times of the number is 3 into x, that is 3x. When 26 is subtracted from 3x, that is 3 times the number. That is 3x minus 26. Now according to the question, first of all look at here. We can find the number. So let the number be x. 3 times of the number is 3x. When 26 is subtracted from 3 times the number, it becomes 3x minus 26. Now since it is said that 3x minus 26 gives 19. This is the equation you got. 3x minus 26 equals to 19. Now we have to find x, unknown quantity. So transpose, first you transpose plus and minus variables into the other side. So transpose 26 to the right hand side, from left hand side to the right hand side. It becomes positive because in the left hand side it is negative. When we transpose it to the right hand side, it becomes positive. Now add this number. 9 and 6 is 15. Carry 1, 3 and 1, 4. We get 45. That is 3x is equals to 45. Now transpose this 3 to the right hand side. Here it is multiplied with x. 3 is multiplied with x. So on transposing, 3 will become divide like this. The multiply on the left hand side becomes divide on the right hand side. So now you can deduct it. 3 1s 3, 3 1s 3, 3 5s 15. You can reduce it into smallest form. So x is equals to 15. You got the answer. Therefore, the number is 15. This is the answer of the second question. The third question is the sum of two consecutive natural numbers is 283. Find the number. So the question is what? The sum of the two consecutive natural number is 283. Find the number. Solution. यानी दो कंसेक्यूटिव नेचुरल नंबर, कंसेक्यूटिव मतलब लगातार, जैसे 10 11 है ना, 15 16 25 26, like this continuously. Consecutive means continuous natural number, two continuous natural number or two consecutive natural number. So we don't know the two consecutive natural number. If I take the first consecutive natural number, then I can get the second one. Let the first consecutive natural number be x. अगर पहला consecutive natural number को मैं x ले लेते हैं, then the second consecutive natural number is equals to x plus 1. क्योंकि दो consecutive natural number के बीच में 1 का ही difference होता है. Suppose 22 and 23 are two consecutive natural numbers. What we find? We find there is only one difference between these two. If it is 22, this is 22 plus 1, that is 23. So similarly, if x is the first consecutive natural number, the second will be x plus 1. Now according to the question, it is said sum means addition of these two consecutive natural numbers, x plus 1, दोनों नेचुरल नंबर को ऐड करेंगे तो 283 आएगा. This is the equation. Now simplify it. X plus x, 2x means x means 1x, 1x कुछ नहीं तो 1x लिख सकते हैं. 2x plus 1 is equals to 283. Now transpose this 1 to the other side. It becomes negative. 283 minus 1. Because it is plus on the left hand side, it becomes negative on the right hand side. So you get 282. This side 2x is equals to 282. Now 2 will be transposed to the right hand side. It becomes divide because here it is multiplied. So on the right hand side it becomes division. Divide it. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 2 1s. That is 141. X is equals to 141. Now it is said to find the numbers. Therefore, the numbers are two consecutive numbers. So 141, the next is 142. If the first consecutive natural number is 141, the next will be 142. This is the answer of question 3. Now fourth question. The next question I'm going to do is fifth question. Fourth you will try at home. If you find any doubt, you may ask me. But now I'm going to do the fifth question. The length of a rectangle is 4 times the breadth. Is 4 times the breadth. रेक्टेंगल का लेंथ 4 टाइम्स है उसके ब्रेथ का. इफ द पेरीमीटर is 125 meter, find the length and breadth of the rectangle. It's very simple question. You know the perimeter of rectangle is twice length plus breadth. So now it is simple. If it is said length of rectangle is 4 times the breadth, means we first need to find the breadth. Let the breadth be x unit, x meter we have to take, because here the unit is given. So let the breadth be x meter and the length will be equals to how much? It is 4 times of the breadth, 4 times breadth, 4 into breadth, that is 4x meter. Now since perimeter of rectangle is length twice length plus breadth, we know this is the perimeter of the rectangle. So we'll put the value twice length is 4x plus breadth is 1x, that is x. Now according to the question, this is also perimeter and this is also perimeter, so both must be equal. 2 into 4x plus 1x is equals to 125. Now 2 into 4x plus 1x is 5x is equals to 125. 5 to the 10x is equals to 125. X will be equals to 125 divided by 10, because when 10 is transposed to the right hand side, it becomes divided, because multiplied it is on the left hand side. So what he got is x is equals to 12.5 meter, because the length of the rectangle is 4 times the breadth. If the breadth is x, length will be 4 times of x. Perimeter of rectangle is twice length plus breadth. It is already known that the perimeter is already 125. So this twice length plus breadth and 125 will be equal. Now find the value. You get x, that is breadth. So next page. Therefore, breadth of rectangle is x, that is equals to 12.5 meter. Length of rectangle, we know it is 4 times of x, that is 4 times of breadth, that is 4 into 1, 12.5, that is 4 5s are 20, 0 carry 2, 12 for the 48, 50 meter. This is the answer. Now next question. Now the next question I'm going to do is 7th question. This is the new variety. So it is Tinku is 5 years younger than his brother. If the sum of their ages is 43 years, now find the present ages and their ages 2 years later. बोल रहा है टिंकू का उम्र उसके भाई से 5 साल छोटा है, मान टिंकू का मान कम है. टिंकू इज 5 years younger than his brother. उसका भाई, टिंकू का भाई जितना बड़ा है टिंकू से 5 साल छोटा है. द सम ऑफ देयर एजेस, उन दोनों के एजेस को जोड़कर अगर 43 years है अभी, फाइंड देयर प्रेजेंट एजेस एंड देयर एजेस 2 years लेटर. सो वेरी सिंपल. नाउ लुक एट इट. लेट द, अगर हम मान लीजिए टिंकू के भाई का उम्र मिल जाता है तो टिंकू का आसानी से मिल जाएगा, या टिंकू का एज ले लेते हैं तो टिंकू के भाई का आ जाएगा. लेट द प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ टिंकू's brother is x years. Then the present age of Tinku is x minus 5, because 5 years younger है. x minus 5 years. अब क्या कह रहा है? दोनों का sum. According to the question, sum of their ages that is Tinku's brother and Tinku's age. X minus 5 plus x is equals to 43 years. दोनों की उम्र जोड़कर 43 years है. Now add it. This is 1x, this is 1x. It gives you 2x minus 5 is equals to 43. Now transpose minus 5 to the right hand side. You get 43 plus 5, because on right hand side it becomes positive. 43 plus 5 is 48. 2x equals to 48. X is equals to 48 by 2, that is 24. So what we get, the age of Tinku's brother is, therefore brother's age is 24 year, and Tinku's age is 5 years less, that is 24 minus 5, that is 19 years. टिंकू का उम्र 19 साल है और टिंकू के भाई का उम्र 24 साल है. अब 2 years later, 2 साल बाद टिंकू का उम्र will be 2 years more, that is 19 plus 2. प्रेजेंट एज में 2 जोड़ देंगे यानी 21 years. और ब्रदर्स एज 2 साल बाद ब्रदर का उम्र कितना हो जाएगा? अभी कितना उम्र है ब्रदर का? दैट इज 24 years. For 24 plus 2, that is 26 years. This is the age of Tinku's brother after 2 years, and Tinku's age after 2 years. This is your answer. Now, this is end of the today's video. Next we'll